What's going on, guys? Matt Wacek here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to address two of the most common questions that came about over the past couple of days since the announcement of opening up City Page Pro, the directory building software. So the first one, where it seemed to be some confusion on the previous video, I don't remember if I maybe didn't explain exactly how the software works and what it does, but it seemed to be some people that thought that the software was just another mass page building software that you essentially build out city pages or City Plus service pages, similar to how we would in Thrive Architect or Elementor Pro, to optimize for whatever specific city it is, but allows you to build out hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of those pages. So that is not what this particular software is. I'm currently working with a software right now to test it out, and before I essentially recommend that my community go and purchase the software and put it to use in their business, I want to make sure that it is good for the use that I have, because if you guys are watching my channel, you are wanting to learn what it is that I do and how to replicate that same process to have success in your own business. So if something is garbage, I'm not going to recommend it to you guys. Or if something is redundant or it's something that it's not really needed to have success with doing local affiliate SEO marketing, I'm not going to recommend it. If I wanted to do that, I would tell every one of you guys to go buy ClickFunnels through my link, which there isn't because I don't use the software, because it's something that's not relevant to getting a website to rank in the organic search result. If that were the case, I would recommend that every single one of you guys go out and buy ClickFunnels through my affiliate link, because they have such a great affiliate program. It's like 40 or 50% recurring every single month. So on a $100 a month product or $300 a month product, that's a really, really profitable affiliate program. But I don't recommend it because it's not relevant to doing local SEO. It doesn't really work that well. It works great if you're going to be sending paid traffic. But anyways, this particular software, City Page Pro, builds out directory style pages in mass. So what does that mean? For each of the city pages that is built, there will be information about each local business for whatever that particular niche is. Let's say it's plumbing or HVAC or whatever it is. There's going to be a list of businesses on there, or basically little blocks of each business with their name, their address, and some of their just basic contact information. And the unique thing about City Page Pro is that the top listing, you can create custom content that is optimized for not only ranking in the search results with the keywords in there and that sort of stuff, but also you can write in copywriting, you can add in, you can embed a video, but really what the goal is to do is to get that person to be reading through that and then convert them to make a phone call from your website or send their information through the contact form, where you can monetize that lead as well. So that is what the software does. It is not just a regular mass page building software. It builds out a full-on directory. Now, the second most common question that came about was, should I stop working on my Thrive Architect sites because of this new software? Because I already paid for the 5-site license or the 1-site license, whatever. No, the answer is no. Do not stop working on what you've already been working on. Doing local affiliate SEO should really not take that much time, especially when you start using this software. You'll realize how quickly these pages and these sites can be built out. It is something that you can do in less than 15 minutes. What I would recommend that you do, though, is utilize this software and the mass page building software that we're going to be releasing here and announcing on the channel, and use these as tools to basically enhance the portfolio of websites that you have. You have your directory sites that you want to build out. You have your single, or maybe up to 3, up to 5, up to 10 city focused websites that you build out on your own, maybe with Thrive Architect. Then the mass page building software that we've been testing is fully compatible with Elementor Pro, and maybe you build out a national site with that, or maybe you build a statewide site with that. So you have 3 different styles of websites that you can build and allow your portfolio to really be diversified in terms of the ranking capabilities and that sort of stuff. So the answer to stopping what you're doing is absolutely not, especially if you put time into building out the content and that sort of stuff. Do not stop working on it. And we actually had someone post in the Facebook group the other day that they failed at trying to rank a site for something in the law niche. And I'd asked them the question of, did it fail or did you just stop? And essentially they just stopped. They gave up and they said, oh, it's too competitive. So they just gave up. And that just seemed unfathomable to me, because you put time and resources into building out a site and getting it ranked. Why would you just quit? It's just something that does not make sense. See things through to fruition, so that way you can start reaping the rewards of your efforts that you put in over the past several months. So essentially look at this as another tool to create leverage in your business, because you can really leverage your time, like I mentioned in the previous video announcing this software. Something that you can create very quickly And you can even enhance the results even more by utilizing an expired domain. So those are the two things I really wanted to address to make sure you guys understood that regarding this particular software. So the first case study video will be out tomorrow. Be sure to go down below and subscribe if you are not already. Make sure you have the bells smashed so that way you get the notification of the new release of that video. We're going to be breaking down how I set up the site and how to set up City Page Pro and build out the first page that will then turn into hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pages. So that'll be a sweet video, so be sure to be subscribed. And if you want to get more guided step-by-step local affiliate SEO training, there's a link right down below to both of the courses that we have available here. So with that said, I will see you guys tomorrow in the case study video.